Alright, we got the eyes drilled out in the back. We have to take this down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. We got an assortment of cutting wheels here we're going to be using. And then we'll use this sanding to open this up as we go. So we're going to start with this one here and go on the inside and cut some of this out. So we got inside here cut, so we'll turn it over and we'll open this up in the back some. Open this up a little bit in the back, so now we can use this one to shave it out more. So you can see how that takes this out. So we're going to keep going from the front to the back. We'll take more off in the front, we'll take more off in the back, and we'll go back and forth till we get this opened up to where we want it to be. So we'll get that done, then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.